Hi everyone, in today's video we would like to show you how to set up your Brother 2504D overlocker to sew with the optional extra pearl sequence foot, the SA211. Using the pearl sequence foot will help you attach beads to fabric to create a decorative edge. Use beads that measure no less than 3 mm in diameter and no more than 5 mm in diameter. Beads can be sewn to the edge of any project, such as curtains, tablecloths, collars, and so much more. To set up the machine, start by removing the right needle. The sequence can only be stitched by a 3-thread overlock stitch. Retract the blade by opening the front cover and pulling the grey lever on the blade to the right and folding the blade forward. Continue to replace the presser foot by pressing the black button on the back of the presser foot holder. The pearl sequence foot is equipped with a channel to guide the beads next to the needle. Snap the pearl sequence foot in place and lift the presser foot. It is important to adjust the stitch length and width to fit the size of the pearls. This will have to be tested every time for different size pearls. The thread tension also has to be adjusted. The default settings for the Brother 2504D overlocker is 4. Adjust the left needle tension by slightly decreasing the tension. Adjust the upper looper tension by slightly decreasing the tension. And adjust the lower looper tension by slightly increasing the tension. Continue to thread the machine. Please see our How to Use the Brother 2504D video linked below for an in-detail demonstration on how to thread the machine. For this video, we use different thread colors to identify the different overlocker needles, but the same color thread will help blend into the fabric. It is now time to prepare the fabric. Fold the fabric in a line where the pearl should be affixed. Place the fabric under the presser foot next to the pearl guide channel. Adjust the screw on the pearl sequence pressure foot in order for the needle to just catch the fold in the fabric. Place the pearls in the channel on the presser foot but stop just before the guide tunnel at the back of the foot. Start by turning the hand wheel by hand and ensure all the necessary settings are correct and the pearls are coming through the other end of the tunnel. The pearls might need a little help to start moving. If all the settings are correct, continue to sew with a slow, steady speed while guiding the fabric and pearls. Sew to the edge of the fabric and continue to sew a few centimeters to be able to cut the thread. Lift the presser foot and pull on the fabric to remove the string of pearls. Tie both ends of the thread to avoid the pearls from coming undone. Please see our How to Use the Brother 2504D overlocker to follow the different methods of tying the ends of your overlocker thread. Just think of all the different effects you will be able to achieve while sewing different types of pearls. Please like, subscribe and follow our channels for more tutorials, tips and videos.